Hey, what's up everybody? It's OZ Trades, and welcome back to the channel. Now if you've been thinking about dipping your toes into the exciting world of forex trading, you've come to the right place. But before you even think about clicking that buy or sell button, there's one crucial thing you absolutely need to know: how to choose the right currency pairs to trade. See, as a beginner, it can be super tempting to jump into the most volatile pairs out there, thinking you're going to make a quick fortune. But trust me, I've been there, and it usually doesn't end well. You need to start with pairs that are a little more beginner-friendly, pairs that won't give you a heart attack every time you check the charts. And that's exactly what we're going to cover today. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 currency pairs that are perfect for beginners, explaining why they're a good choice and what you need to know to start trading them. First up, we've got the EUR-USD, also known as the euro against the US dollar. This pair is like the bread and butter of forex trading. It's super popular and for good reason. For starters, it's crazy liquid, meaning there are always tons of buyers and sellers. That means you can easily get in and out of trades without getting slammed with huge fees. And speaking of fees, the EUR-USD pair usually has really tight spreads. That's the difference between the buy and sell price, which helps you keep more of your profits. Plus, since it's such a widely traded pair, there's a ton of information and resources available online to help you learn and make informed trading decisions. So if you're just starting out, the EUR-USD is a great place to get your feet wet and learn the ropes of forex trading. Next up, we've got the USD-JPY, which is the US dollar against the Japanese yen. Now if you're the kind of trader who values stability and isn't a fan of wild price swings, then this is the pair for you. The USD-JPY is known for being relatively stable compared to some of the other pairs out there. It tends to move in more predictable patterns, making it a good option for beginners who are still getting a feel for how the market works. But don't let the stability fool you. There are still plenty of opportunities to profit from this pair. Just remember, slow and steady wins the race, and that definitely applies to forex trading. Now let's talk about the GBP-USD, also known as the cable. This pair represents the British pound against the US dollar, and it's a favorite among traders who like a bit more action. The GBP-USD is known for its good liquidity and decent volatility, meaning there are often profitable opportunities if you know what to look for. Plus, it's heavily influenced by both the US and UK economies, which means there's always something moving the markets. Whether it's interest rate decisions, economic reports, or even political events, there's never a dull moment with the GBP-USD. Just remember, with higher volatility comes higher risk, so it's important to manage your risk carefully with this pair. Moving on, we've got the USD-CHF, which is the US dollar against the Swiss franc. This pair is often seen as a safe haven currency pair. What does that mean? Well, when things get a little shaky in the global economy, think political turmoil, recessions, you name it, investors tend to flock to the Swiss franc because it's seen as a safe bet. This means that the USD-CHF tends to be less volatile than some of the other pairs, making it a good option for beginners who are still getting comfortable with the ups and downs of the market. But don't mistake its safe haven status for being boring. The USD-CHF can still offer some decent trading opportunities, especially if you're able to identify trends and capitalize on them. Last but not least, we've got the AUD-USD, which is the Australian dollar against the US dollar. This pair is heavily influenced by commodity prices, especially gold and iron ore, which Australia is a major exporter of. Now this makes the AUD-USD a bit more volatile than some of the other pairs on this list, but it also means there's potential for bigger profits if you play your cards right. If you're willing to put in the time to learn about commodity markets and how they impact currency prices, the AUD-USD can be an exciting and rewarding pair to trade. But remember, just like with any other pair, it's crucial to manage your risk and never invest more than you can afford to lose. So there you have it, the top 5 forex currency pairs that are perfect for beginners. Remember, the key to success in forex trading is to start slow, manage your risk, and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, Do me a favor and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome Forex content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now get out there, start trading smart, and I'll see you in the next video.